There's just something special about unboxing a new wig. The quiet excitement, that little pause before you lift the lid and see what's inside. This time it's the Boho Braids deep curly wig from Luvme Hair. And this one had me curious from the moment I saw it online. It's pre-braided, pre-plucked, and glueless, which already makes it sound like a dream for anyone who wants the look of a full install without the work. Inside the box, everything is neatly packaged. You can tell they take pride in presentation. There's a custom elastic band for extra security, a melting edge band to help with lace laying, and their signature edge brush, complete with a lace razor on one end for trimming and shaping. They also included lace tape, a box label card, a set of HD wig caps, and a mesh storage bag for the wig itself. And now the wig itself. This is the Boho Braids Deep Curly Wig, a glueless 5x5 closure unit with pre-cut lace and carefully hand braided details. Each braid is individually done, small and consistent, blending into the deep curls that fall just beneath the shoulders. What stands out immediately is the texture transition. The braids flow naturally into those loose, curly ends. It gives this effortless, beachy look that's both polished and relaxed at the same time. The lace is soft and flexible, with just enough transparency to blend with multiple skin tones once it's tinted. Inside, the cap construction includes secure combs, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band hand sewn in for extra hold. The material is lightweight and breathable, which makes a difference for all day comfort. Even without installing it, you can tell this wig was designed with wearability in mind. It's easy, secure, and made for everyday beauty. This is my first time putting it on straight out of the box. No tinting, no melting, no extra steps. The fit feels snug but not tight, and the lace sits flat across my forehead. The curls are soft and full of movement, and the braids fall neatly along the sides. You can see how the pre-braided sections give you that effortless, styled look without having to actually braid your own hair. I didn't need to adjust much, just position the closure and brush through the curls to separate them a bit. Even straight from the box, the curls have shape and bounce, and the overall look is neat and natural. It's one of those wigs you can literally put on and go, and it still looks like you spent time on your hair. Now, I did make a few light adjustments to make it more seamless on me. The lace tone was a little lighter than my skin, so I went in with my lace tint spray, just a few spritzes across the closure and let it dry. That small step made a huge difference in how naturally it blended. Next, I used some melting spray along the front of the lace to lay it down and smooth any lifting along the edges. Even though this is a glueless wig, melting spray can help you get that polished, secure look if you want to wear it for a few days. What I like most is how quickly the lace responds. It melts cleanly without leaving any residue, and once it's set, it's soft and flexible against the skin. After everything dried, I ran my fingers through the curls again and they fluffed up beautifully. You can tell this texture will hold its shape without needing constant maintenance. It's the kind of style that looks lived in, easy but intentional. Here's a closer look at the lace blend and the hairline. The 5x5 closure gives just enough space for parting, but still keeps the maintenance low. You can see the C-shaped cutouts around the ears that makes the fit more natural and comfortable. The lace sits right where it should. From up close, the braids are uniform and clean. The parting looks natural and the transition into the curls is done perfectly. No harsh stop or bulkiness where the textures meet. Now for the fun part, the full 360. You can see how full it looks from every angle. The curls keep their volume and the braids stay flat against the scalp. The hairline is smooth and the movement is soft and effortless. While I show you these clips, I wanted to share a few reviews directly from Luvme Hair's website that really stood out to me. One customer said, "This wig looks so real that people kept asking where I got my hair braided." Another reviewer said, "The lace melted instantly, no glue needed. I wore it on vacation and it held up perfectly in the humidity." And I saw another woman mention how lightweight it felt even after wearing it all day, which honestly, I agree with. Hearing reviews like this makes sense once you actually wear it, because this wig genuinely gives you that braided look without the hours it would have taken to achieve it. When you look closely at the ends of the braids, you can see how neatly they're threaded. That little detail means you could actually remove the braids if you ever wanted to, and then wear the wig in a different style later. That kind of versatility makes this piece worth having. It's one style today and something completely new whenever you're ready to switch it up. And this is the final look, the Boho Braids deep curly wig from Luvme Hair. If you'd like to try it for yourself, I've added the direct link down below in the description box, along with my personal coupon code for an exclusive discount. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more beauty and glow up content. Thank you so much for watching, and if you decide to grab this wig, tag me or comment down below. I love seeing how you style them. Can't wait to see you in the next video.